Fix It Tony here. Thanks for clicking on my video. So I have my 2012 Camaro SS here, and we're going to install an Apple CarPlay Android 13 stereo on it. They're fairly inexpensive. I'm going to walk you through my process. There's a lot of settings I'm not going to get into. If you have questions about it, I'm probably going to do a follow-up video because the settings on these things are a pain in the butt and the instructions are awful, but the stereo does work pretty well. So let's get started. So I've already actually did some disassembly here. This thing's really easy to disassemble. The trim piece just pops out, and that's just by pulling up and away. Just be really careful with it. Unfortunately, I don't know if you guys can see it. Ooh, I don't want to do it again. There's a razor sharp edge in here. So as you're pulling on it, oh, it's right there. If you slide your finger across it like I did, I slipped both my fingers open on this thing. So just be careful. Once you pull this piece out, you have a couple of screws and the whole assembly comes off. I'm actually replacing this piece right here. This is a vinyl, not a leather, and it just started cracking. So I just got one. They sell kits to rebuild them and reskin them. Don't buy those. They don't work. They're a pain in the butt. There's so much work. They're not even worth messing with. So I just bought one from LKQ. You can go to their website or you can buy their stuff on eBay. Worked out really nicely. To pull the stereo out, you just want to pull this trim straight up. It's just push clips. I have the cage cluster here, but you can just go ahead and go underneath here and pull the harnesses from there, and then you can probably see the screws, a couple screws right there, and this stereo will pull straight out real easy. Okay, so we just pulled it straight back once we removed those two little, I think they're 7mm, and then it's just pull tabs, and this whole thing will pull out. Now we can remove the actual head assembly, which is a big old honking thing back here. What we're replacing with isn't nearly as big, probably save some weight, and this being a semi-race car, that's actually a good thing. Okay, so we pulled this harness out, we pulled the full 4 screws out of here, we pull this out, and then right behind it we have the harness. We can pull that out on the radio back here. Okay, radio's out. Here's our new radio, and again, dramatically smaller. This runs an auxiliary amp anyway, so I'm not worried about the amp that's in there. But that's what it's going to look like. It's going to add our Apple CarPlay and all that stuff, and we'll start piecing this thing together to make it work. So my Camaro has the Boston acoustic stereo system, which means it has an external amp that's not powered by the head unit. What you have to do, because none of the instructions and nobody from these companies knows how this works, is you need to find the amp wire coming out of the your harness here. You need to attach it to this pink wire that says amp continuous. If you don't do this, you won't get any sound. So we got that done. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and start reassembling everything. This just connects to that, and there's a couple of screws, and they give you a screwdriver for putting that back in. This should go fairly quickly. There's not, I didn't put the mic on. I don't use the mic. I don't use my wireless handy. I usually use my AirPods just because of wind noise and stuff like that. And I don't want the speaker they give you. If anybody's putting these together, you know this thing's freaking annoying. You want to rip it out through the window after about 2 seconds. And I'm not hooking up a GPS antenna because I'm not using the GPS on here. I'm using the GPS on my phone through the Apple CarPlay. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this unit here with this, and then push it all back in, and in 2 seconds we'll have it all back together. Okay, so I have this assembled. This actually looks like it might have been used already, but it still works. I don't care. Anyway, these screws are a pain in the butt. There's 4 of them put in there, and then you got to put these little tabs in here, and those are going to slide into the top here, and they're going to slide into the bottom here, and then it'll all push in. Just take your time, give yourself some room, because it's kind of frustrating. These screws are very tiny and they're hard to get in this little area right here. Okay, so I have it test fitted. It does bite you. I did feed the wires down through here so I can have my 2 hookups right here for auxiliary, for plug-in, for charging right here. And then I'm going to figure out how I want them to pop out. But I just wanted those to be accessible because everywhere else didn't seem to work. But trying to find a way to get them down from the stereo, that was a pain. I just cut my hands up. I have big hands, so that makes it difficult. So test fitted, it's good. I'm going to pull it off now, put the panel back on, make sure these wires are secure, not flopping around back here making a bunch of noise, which they kind of are. So I'm going to zip tie that stuff, and we're almost done. Okay, so we're all back in. This thing's being kind of a pain, but I went ahead and hooked the USBs to wires and just kind of had them come through here so I can hook up if I need to through the phone manually and charge at the same time. Everything else went back together pretty nicely. This, for some reason, is being difficult. I'm not sure why. I have to pull this thing back apart and figure out why that's pushing up on me. But otherwise, everything looks good. Everything's working. I can't turn it on because the phone keeps on trying to attach to it, but everything works. The backup camera still works in the mirror. It's not working down here. If anyone knows how to fix that, or if there's a difference for that, let me know. Put in the comments. I'd appreciate that. But otherwise, thanks again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Probably got a couple more of these I'm going to be doing in the next couple of weeks. Bye.